Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today, I'm going to show you what to do if your AutoCAD license is timed out. So what you want to do is go to Google or to your browser, and then go to AutoCAD renewal. And right here, what you kind of want to do is to just check for some renewal subscription because most cases of AutoCAD, or rather most cases for AutoCADs, are because of subscriptions or renewal dates that you need to fix. So for that, just simply go to AutoCAD renewal, sign in your account, and automatically that would they would help you renew your license account, and that's it. Hopefully, you were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.